Oh, hello there. I'm Sir Topham Hatt. Would you lot want to be my really useful helpers? How much do you know about this engine that I'm going to talk to you about? Can any of you guess what this engine is? He's blue, has 6 small wheels, a short stumpy funnel, a short stumpy boiler, and a short stumpy dome. He also has a number 1 on his side tanks, and his whistle sounds like this. Do any of you guys know who that engine is? Well, that's right. It's Thomas, my number 1 engine. I hope you enjoyed this, and hope to see you soon. Goodbye.